Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I have another cloth and paper subscription video for you. And so let's see what's in here. So a card so it looks like there is a transparent matte blanc tab sticky notes. The debut of our tab sticky note design and our transparent flag material and matte paper version to match. Use them to mark pages and quickly customize tab sections. 25 sheets of each. There's journaling cards. It's the month view for October 2020. Says it's a clear card in black. What else do we have? The October 2021 style vertical weekly and new executive notes insert, new habit tracker inserts, October month cover dashboards. I like getting those. I'm the architect dashboard, abstract letter from dashboard, oat milk sorbet shaped sticky notes. Okay, let's see. I'm really excited to see these new items. It isn't where you came from, it's where you're going that counts. Nice. Here is a dashboard. It's white and it has an S, which I like. There is luxury and simplicity. Here is the October dashboard. I am the architect of days that haven't happened yet. Cute. This is the new executive notes dot grid. So it looks like you have the subject and you can put, here we go, the subject, and you can put the day of the week, what month it is, and the date on your pages. Here is the habit tracker. Put the month, so they're undated. You can start this whenever. Month habit goal notes. And here is the October weekly. So, and it looks like you can track your bills here on this for the month. There's the date, the company, the amount, and then you get to check it off. Important dates, goals. I'm gonna use this one for October. These are the little goodies. This is the card they were talking about. The month clear card. Minimalism is a noun. Minimalism most generally refers to a style or approach that uses a small but impactful number of elements. Oops, sorry. That is a cute card. Here is the October one as well. I wondered what this was. Transparent matte blanc sticky tabs. This is interesting. Let's see. Ooh, nice. Page flag. What you have going on. Oh, I thought they were together. Yeah, they're not. That's cute. Wait, is this white? Yeah, this white is a white paper and this is the transparent. And then here is the oat milk and sorbet sticky notes. I love these colors. There you go. I like that the sticky note doesn't go just like, it stops here and it's just on top. It's about right here of the way circle. Anyways, Let me get this out of the way. I'm really happy with what I got, and I've been randomly just using the stuff that I've been getting in the subscription box. The sticky notes, I'm telling you, they're the page flags too. I love them. But for me to go online and pick out a color, like that would take the longest for me, is to decide which color, you know, should I get, and off of the screen like that, I just couldn't. So I really like that I get the these little goodies in a subscription box. So I really do like that. I don't have to worry about what color, because what color I should start with, or which one I should get this month, or wait, didn't I get this one last month? I think I did. And so I don't even need to worry about all that. So in the subscription box, you know, what they send is just perfectly fine with me, because I love all their colors. But, you know, thank you for stopping by and checking out this video, and I will see you next time. Bye.